Book of Heaven, Volume 11, August 27, 1915. By fusing herself in the divine will, the soul becomes filled with God and his divine qualities, and God is filled with her. I was fusing myself in the most holy will of blessed Jesus, and while doing this, I found myself in Jesus. And he told me,
"My daughter, when a soul fuses herself in my will, it happens as when two containers full of different fluids are poured one into the other. The first remains filled with what the second contained, and the second with the content of the first. In the same way, the creature remains filled with me, and I with her. And since my will contains sanctity, beauty, power, love, etc., by filling herself with me, fusing and abandoning herself in my will, the soul comes to be filled with my sanctity, with my love, with my beauty, etc., in the most perfect way given to a creature. And I feel I am filled with her, and finding in her my sanctity, my beauty, my love, etc. I look at these things as if they were her own, and I like her so much as to become enamored, in such a way as to keep her jealously in my inmost heart, enriching her and embellishing her continuously with my divine qualities, to be ever more delighted and enamored.